Alright, before you even start your Black Ops 2, remember to sign out. All you gotta do is just press triangle and it'll give you an option to sign out, and you just press that. Once you press that, you're gonna be signed out and you pretty much start the Black Ops game. Oh, Black Ops 2. You even start your Black Ops. So people are having problems with zombies and I don't know. I guess we'll check it out. I didn't really bother too much on the zombies side because I have a regular account and generally I don't have any issues. So we're gonna load into zombies. I have my Black Ops 2 set up to load in pretty much multiplayer. So we're gonna try to move into zombies. We're gonna go to LAN party. Just local. We'll just do local. And the game froze on me. Interesting. No, the game didn't froze on me. This is like the laggiest thing I've ever seen. Dude, my disc is not that laggy. I mean, my disc is not that freaking scratch. Anyways, we're gonna do transit. And we'll just do that. And start the game. Also, we're not signed in. It doesn't matter. I'll probably edit the video and explain that. Because why not? Anyways, that guy right there on the poster reminds me of that guy from American Pie, dude. I'm just going to put a picture right here. Tell me it does not look like the guy from American Pie. If you don't think so, something's wrong with your eyes, you little punk. Anyways, let's continue while this loads. I could skip all this. I could edit this out of the video, but I don't really want to. Okay, so I loaded to zombies. And we're gonna do exactly the same thing that we pretty much do with the multiplayer. We log out, we end the game and then we log in. Alright, and we're gonna try to see if we could do online. If this doesn't work for you, I don't know what you did to your game. You saw that it looked like it was almost gonna freeze on me, but I don't know. These new accounts just their problem. Alright. We're gonna wait until we finally get to the menu and we're gonna try to see if we can play online. I think we leave. Yeah, we'll just leave. Alright, we're gonna log in. Okay, we're logging in right now. Get this out of my face. Play online. Okay, I respect that. Accept that crap. Play online again. Find a public match. I don't care about Facebook, little punk. And we're gonna try to find transit. Maybe we will find somebody. Maybe we won't. I don't know. We'll see. There's 0 people. Oh, there's 5 matches. We're gonna try to join somebody. Show me. Okay, didn't. So the only difference is
That seems like an obvious challenge.
whatever the difference is that you essentially just have to do the same thing. Just make a local zombie game, exit it. Once you get to the main menu, you pretty much just sign in and you'll be ready to go. Alright, I'm gonna play with this guy for a little bit. I don't want to just quit. Okay, so one thing I didn't mention in the video was map packs. Newer accounts have problems with map packs. If you buy Black Ops map packs, chances are you won't be able to use them or they won't show up. These are some errors that I've heard from people. So if you have a newer account, be careful buying map packs because you may not be able to play them. And also it might even make it harder for you to play because for some reason the newer accounts have a lot of issues with the older Call of Duty games. So if you buy a map pack, you might not even be able to play online. I'm not saying that's actually how it is, but the map packs give so much errors to newer player accounts that it's not worth risking it. So be careful if you try to buy an account. But anyways, that's about it. I'm going to show you some gameplay of my channel, pretty much just promoting my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed some of the gameplay. Until then, I'm out. Peace. For Mountain Time, Central is 12 and 1 o'clock for New York time. I know it's not called New York time, but that's all we call it. It's New York time. I'm pretty sure I think it's Eastern time, but I'm not sure. Once again, I really don't know. Dude, did you just buy a gun? Oh my god, dude. These noobsters, I swear. God damn it, dude. This is why nobody plays online, you punk. This is why people like playing with friends. You guys are freaking mentally slow for some reason. Alright, so it's gonna be another game like the Black Ops 1. I'm looking for the last piece. Either they're holding on to it, or I can't find it. I'm trying to build this thing, but oh, it's already built. You're a freaking idiot. God damn it. Okay, there we go. Open. Grab it and get out. Hold it. Open, open. There we go. I'm out of here. There. What? How did you get out here? How did you guys get? How? How did you guys? Did you guys go through the door when I was opening it? There's no way. I didn't even pay attention.
Portable wind turbine, huh?
Yeah, exactly,
Useful.
girl.